When you stopped wishing things wouldn't fall apart, you would stop suffering when they did. If a man speak or act with an evil thought, suffering follows him as the wheel follows the hoof of the beast that draws the wagon. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Letting go gives us freedom, and freedom is the only condition for happiness. We live and we die. This is the truth that we can only face alone. No one can help us, not even the Buddha. Forget hurt, but never forget kindness. Do not believe in anything simply because it is spoken and rumored by many. Do not believe in anything simply because it is found written in your religious books. I'm so good at beginnings, but in the end, I always seem to destroy everything, including myself. An insincere and evil friend is more to be feared than a wild beast. A wild beast may wound your body, but an evil friend will wound your mind. If the problem can be solved, why worry? If the problem cannot be solved, worrying will do you no good. Usually when we hear or read something new, we just compare it to our own ideas. If it is the same, we accept it and say that it is correct. Everything that comes together falls apart. A generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which renew humanity. Those who have failed to work toward the truth have missed the purpose of living. Praise and blame, gain and loss, pleasure and sorrow come and go like the wind. To be happy, rest like a giant tree in the midst of them all. You are the community now. Be a lamp for yourselves. Be your own refuge. Seek for no other. All things must pass. Strive on diligently. Don't give up. Whether our action is wholesome or unwholesome depends on whether that action or deed arises from a disciplined or undisciplined state of mind. May all that have life be delivered from suffering. The one who has conquered himself is a far greater hero than he who has defeated 1,000 times 1,000 men. It is a poison that disintegrates friendships and breaks up pleasant relations. It is a thorn that irritates and hurts. It is a sword that kills.